Welcome friends, I am Gaurav. In this lecture, I am going to answer your question that what is bioinformatics? Please watch the complete video. In this video, I have explained the bioinformatics with its applications. So without any time delay, let's begin. To understand bioinformatics properly, we must have to know some basic points about few subjects. At first, biology. In biology, we study various things such as nucleic acids. For example, deoxyribonucleic acid, ribonucleic acid, and various types of proteins. Here we study their structures and their functions. In biology, we also study various pathways and genetic interactions which are occurring in the cell. In computer science, we primarily work on some type of data which includes data storing, data retrieving, and data analyzing. Similarly, in mathematics, we study about the number and shapes and their relationships. Mathematics is used in every branch of science because it is the only way to understand the nature. And in statistics, we study and manipulate data. This subject is useful in handling huge data and compiling and analyzing results of various types of experiments. Nowadays, experiments are not remained superficial. They are going to micro, nano and atomic level, where all branches of sciences like chemistry and physics needed to study so as to understand the properties of molecule at that level. To perform various type of biological experiments, we can take advantage of computer because it has ability to perform huge mathematical calculation in fraction of second and gives us result by using various statistical tools. So the bioinformatician take advantage of computer and perform its biological experiments, mathematical calculations and take results. As you can see in the left hand side, biology, biochemistry and biophysics are life sciences subjects, and in the right hand there are subjects which are not from life sciences. But when we combine the knowledge and methods of these subjects, the new science branch gets originated, known as bioinformatics. That's why bioinformatics is called as interdisciplinary field. The term bioinformatics is coined by Pauline Hogweg and Ben Hesper in 1978. Now if I conclude what I have explained to you in very few words, then the definition will be: bioinformatics is an integration of mathematical, statistical, and computational methods to analyze biological, biochemical, and biophysical data, and it deals with methods of storing, retrieving, and analyzing biological data such as nucleic acid and protein, sequences, structures, functions, pathways, and biological interactions. Or the other definition can be: bioinformatics is the application of the methods of computational techniques and technologies to analyze and maintain biological data. Now we will see some applications of bioinformatics. It will help you to understand the subject in practical sense. First application is sequence homology analysis. We can study complex genomes by studying homologous sequences present in simple organisms and understanding their functions first. If you find some function of any particular genome, you can simply search the homologous sequences present in the complex organisms with the help of databases like NCBI, EMBL, etc. Second application is drug designing. We can identify the genome associated to certain Pathophysiologic conditions. The probable amino acid sequence of encoded protein can be determined by translation software, and by using algorithms, we could design molecules that could bind the model structure. Another application is predictive functions. Through large-scale screening of data, one can address number of evolutionary, biochemical, and biophysical questions. We can identify specific protein folds associated with certain phylogenetic groups, commonality between different folds within a particular organism, the degree of folds shared between the organism, the extent of relatedness derived from traditional evolutionary trees, and we can also identify the diversity of metabolic pathways in different organisms. A phylogeny is a hypothetical relationship between the group of organisms being compared. Let's see one another application of bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is used in medical areas. For example, it is used for gene expression analysis to detect or predict the toxicity of trial drugs. It is also used for postnatal genotyping to assess susceptibility or immunity from specific diseases and pathogens. It also used for drug-based treatment to provide effective course of medication with minimum side effects. It is also useful in forensic sciences. Also, the bioinformatics is used for discovery of beneficial and harmful genes, etc. Let's recall what we have learned today. Bioinformatics term coined by Pauline Hogweg and Ben Hasper in 1978. Bioinformatics refers to study of information processes in biotic systems. In bioinformatics, we study mapping and analyzing DNA and protein sequences, developing new databases, aligning different sequences and comparing them, weaving 3D models of protein structures, and also studying molecular interaction and carrying out drug discovery analysis. Thanks for watching. If you have liked the video, please make sure to hit the like button, share our video, and please subscribe to our channel.